Alright guys, I am on my Pilot 2011. Changed the alternator, oil, everything worked good. They went out of state and come back, and apparently now they want to change the starter. That they could do advanced autos and AutoZone, and they say the starter's bad. So then it's like almost 200,000 miles, so they go, why not go ahead and replace that starter? So I'm trying to help them repair that starter today. This is 2011 Pilot, Honda Pilot. As well, you gotta take these things off and take the body off. Put out a good torque and put your two on. And my tool, a lot of them. Let's start taking these, pull it off. There's always somebody breaking somewhere, mechanic breaking something. So, you know, you gotta put different things in to pull it down. So, that is to screw, I need to take off extra. Got this battery out, this bolt right here, 12 millimeter, and this is bigger than 12 millimeter. You know what the heck that is? What's going on with these people, man? Can't put the right screw on. Can I mess with you? Honda, what the hell are you doing? Let me take this bracket. No, I'm gonna move the bracket. I gotta put a hat on. Goddamn headband don't work with a crap. Especially when you have long hair. Alright. Alright, gotta take these off. Take that bow out. Take these, snap these off. Grab the screw. Take off. Alright guys, this is coming handy. It's a dollar store. You can buy one, and this is what I'm going to do with it. Do that. Keep the thing out of your way. Now, I'll take this off. This is when you need extension. Grab it. That's when you need another approach on the board right here. What's this back to? Voila. See, out of the way. There's another screw right there. Okay, go easy, guys. That way you don't lose that screw. You know, you see a little snap right there. Snap it off. All right, just got the bracket right there. This right here. You need to right there, pull this way up, then they release this, the clip that go into this hole and release that. The same thing for this one. Lift the middle piece, lift that up, and it should release that one. That's it. Then you take this off and drop it over here. Now, take the bottom out and you should have access to the starter. Now we go to this one. Okay, so we got some fasten there. Apparently these at the bottom here, they require 13 millimeter. Alright, got 13 millimeter. One of these magnets. Grab that screw out. Okay, then one more right underneath those wire. More screw just right below that wire. Okay, so I'm gonna put the socket down there and get into that screw, then take that off. So this will be the last one. There's one here, one there. One right there, one there. Now there's like a zip tie to tie these line into this right here, so I'm gonna have to cut that. This last one, this magnet come in handy. I knew I need it. It seems easier to maneuver now. See, the only thing is strapped into there is just this wire into these right here. So kind of bend this up and you see there, see the zip tie lock into that. So if I can get it out without breaking it, I can snap it back in later. Same with this. Like this. I got these snippets right here, but I didn't snip it. I just used it to pry it out. That right there. Down there. Yeah, right there, over there. See? Took this whole thing out. Like that. Voila! Now you can see the alternator. Pretty roomy. Just hot. Trying to wake up early, 6 o'clock this morning. What time is it now? 8:12. Took me about 40 minutes to get over here. And with all the tube taken out, everything like that. You know, 8:12 now before I get all these stuff, you know, out. Because somebody tell you to take it out real quick, they lie. It took a while, you know. Especially when you're filming all kind of stuff like that, so it'll take a little longer. Look, found a screw somebody have dropped. I was repairing this car a while back. Alrighty, take that start out. Alright. See that dipstick? I'll take the dipstick out. Get it to the plug. See the plug. Trying to get it good. Too close. Gotta go slow so you can see. The alternator. Right there, that's the alternator right there. Get this wire out. And there's takes power. You gotta take that bolt out too. And let's get started. Everything is stuck there for long. Trying to get that clip off. There you go. Gotta get that. short thread me. Get this hole out of the way. You see that? See if I get this hole out of the way so I can get to that power thing. I gotta put this hole back. Take this back. Right there. Power in and then out, then get into the power and then out. Oof. That's still hanging, that's good. Okay, now it's take the bolt out of the alternator. Okay, let's take a look at this new alternator first. Okay. Ooh, it's getting hot out here. Get this done so I can get out of here. There we go. So, it should go in like that. It's going like that. Ooh, about $200. Call Crest. All right. So I know the bolt like that. So if it's so it's been sitting like that right there. So the bolt on top and the bottom. I need something with some torch in it. It's a little stronger. So hopefully this will do the job. Alrighty. Let's get that dipstick out of the way. Let's go down there and see where it is. Alright guys, you gotta have one of these right here. It's these wrench where you can spin and contract it, you know. Like this. Like this. And you can bend the head. this, I'm able to loosen the bolt. Not gonna lose the bottom bolt now. First, I gotta put my vents in first, okay? Into the bolt first. Then I come back with my this socket. Okay, put my socket in first. Then I come back with the wrench. Okay, that's the easiest way. Okay, I got it loose, so it should be good to go. All right, let's do a deep dive into it with the bolt. Here come the top one. That's two of them. All right. Imagine I just lose that. I can take that apart. Gonna shake it. Take that more time. Oh, there you go. Drop this gasket. So, I might put this in back in here. All right, getting hot here. Let's put the thing in. All right, guys. My phone all dirty up. Just got the new case too, but it's worth it. This video for you guys. 2011 Honda Pilot. Whew. It's my first time doing this alternator on a Pilot. Honda Pilot. All right. Put a gasket in there. I'll put it back in place. Man. Wow. Close to 9 o'clock now. Gotta move that hose out of the way a little bit more. Alright, let's do a deep dive. Sorry guys, I couldn't hold the camera at the same time, but all you have to do is screw it in and put it in place. And put the bolt back on. Alright guys. Okay, let's do a deep dive. I just put the bolt good, but not tightened up yet. That one, right below the wire. Which? Okay, that's a good view. Okay, now you got take the screw up. And put your wire in here and snap this back in here. You're good to go. Okay, so I put that. Screw it on. Snap in. That was the hardest part. I need to put that back on. Snap. Easy. There you go. One of the alternators in. That's it. And I'll put everything back. That's it. Alternators in. Brand new. Let's do a deep dive. Just put everything back together, and I noticed that is cracked. Okay, there's always something there, right? All right. See all that through right there? Everything I don't use. Alright guys, this is it. That's all the tube that I used. Just on the changed the alternator in a 2011 Honda Pilot. Starter.
You got this thing about alternators, don't you?
I changed so much. So many alternators.
I said I just changed that alternator. You didn't. It was a starter.
Alright guys, this is the two I used to change the starter on the 2011 Honda Pilot. It's my first time changing the starter on this Honda. This is it. All the two. So there you go. If you want to do it, that's all the two you need. Thanks for watching.